From the woman who abandoned her baby in a hot car to the man found with narcotics, today's episode is certainly dramatic. On April 6, 2024, deputies from the Monroe County Sheriff's Office were dispatched to a disturbance reported at a flea market. Upon arrival, they encountered a 51-year-old man displaying signs of intoxication who was reportedly creating a disturbance and had allegedly engaged in a physical altercation with his elderly father.
That's it. Roger, come on.
No, go ahead. No, what's up?
Roger.
What's up?
Roger.
What do you want to do?
Roger.
Tase me, bro.
I don't want to tase you, man.
What's up?
Listen, Roger. Roger. Is that? Okay, ma'am, ma'am, I hear that, ma'am. Jesus, here we go. Let's back up real quick, because I'm not trying to make a scene here. Roger, come on. Why?
You want to play?
Why, Roger? Why? Stop.
You too.
Roger.
I don't give a Go ahead.
Stop.
I don't care.
12 at 10, one at taser.
You.
One at taser. Waiting for it.
Upon arrival, deputies provided the individual with multiple opportunities to leave the premises. Instead, he exhibited an unexpectedly vigorous and spirited demeanor, despite his age.
Roger, look at me.
You heard me. You hear me?
Roger, I'm here.
You hear what the I'm saying?
Roger, I'm here now.
You. Oh, you got the cum. You got the cum.
Roger, stop.
Being real brave. Whoa.
Listen.
You fucking bitch.
Hey,
You
come
too.
on, go.
hands now. Push
What?
your hands, you're gonna get tased.
Let's go.
What?
Let's go.
Or what?
Go.
Yeah, I know.
Roger, we're in a bad spot. Let's get out of here. You want to listen? You got two choices.
way, y'all go your way. I'm going.
We're here. We're good. Push him out. We're good. We're getting separated. All right. Stop.
I'm saying.
Stop. I'm
Hold
right
on.
now.
Don't grab
Stop.
me, bro.
Hey,
Don't grab me.
if you put your hands on that deputy one more time, you're gonna get
Hold
wet.
on, man.
Roger,
You, man.
I'm gonna tell you this now. Roger,
I say, hey,
look at me.
man, I ain't
I'm
done
here.
nothing to
I'm
you.
talking to you. All right. I'm gonna tell you this now, Roger. They're asking you to be vacated from the
No.
property. You have a
No.
choice. No. You're done. I'm done with you. You have a.
The suspect, identified as Roger, was creating a public disturbance when he could have been channeling his energy into more constructive activities, such as safeguarding his online security.
Roger, I'm gonna tell you this
I
now.
will sue you personally.
Yeah, good
My
luck.
hands are in my pocket.
All right, keep it.
The lawyer's helping sound.
Good.
So, yeah.
Roger, do you? Roger, let's go. We're going. Go.
You ain't gonna tell me to do
Roger,
a
I'm gonna tell you this now. You don't leave right now. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs. Understand this?
The first time?
Okay, that's the
Hold
route
on.
you want to go. That's the route you want to go.
You're gonna tase me?
Nope.
You're gonna tase
nope.
me?
We're gonna go.
Okay.
If you don't
so-
follow this deputy's lawful
Go.
orders,
Put your hands. Let's
yeah?
go. Come on.
So,
Roger, come on.
hold on.
Come on.
Hold on.
Come
What's
on.
up, man?
Come on.
What? Hey, hold up, bro.
Come on.
Hold
We're
up.
here.
Hey,
We're here.
hold up,
Stop.
bro.
Don't turn. Do not turn.
you're
Do not
about to
turn.
get it.
Do not turn.
You're about to get
Do
tased.
not turn. Do not turn.
Listen to that deputy. Put
Mr.
your
Hand.
hand behind your back.
No.
Mr. Hand.
No, I didn't do nothing
Roger.
wrong. Oh,
Understand this. Roger,
like
stop.
that?
Yes,
You
it is.
wanna go
I
like
gave you
that?
multiple orders. Stop. Gave you multiple
bro.
orders.
Put your arm behind your back now.
okay. Oh, there we go. There it is. Piece of shit. You.
Let's go. Give me the other hand. Hey, go to your belly now. Do it now.
The officers subsequently decided to restrain him with handcuffs and transport him to the jail for further investigation and detention.
We need a direction. You don't know where you're going. We need a direction.
I'm
Have a seat.
just
Have a
fine.
seat.
Y'all are around.
seat.
Yes, sir. Can you please take your
On June 3rd, 2023, dispatch received a report from the Walmart manager about a woman who had left her child unattended in a parked car during a sweltering 91-degree summer day with the vehicle turned off. The officer arrived on the scene just as the woman was preparing to leave the parking lot.
That's in the window, dude. She's like small. And I was like, what the heck? And then like I kind of like did a little loop around the vehicle to see if there was people in the back seat, and there wasn't. And that's when I knew right away. And the vehicle wasn't on.
It's because I left. She didn't have shoes. She didn't want to get down. I was only in there, I swear to God, for 15 minutes. I went to get a rake and a blower, and that's the only reason why I left her in there. I left all the windows down. She was in the shade. I know it's. I swear to God, it was.
But did you turn? You had the vehicle off.
Yes, I had the vehicle off, and I had all the windows cracked though. And I swear to God,
It
she
still
was,
gets hot in there.
I
man.
know,
It still
but
gets really hot in there.
I know, and I don't do this, but she was fighting me, and I knew I was only going to be in there for 15 minutes, and I swear to God, it was 15 minutes, because I went and got two things, and I came right out, and I know that it's really hot, and that's why I rushed in and I rushed out. I would never leave her in there longer than that.
Is that your daughter or your granddaughter?
It's my granddaughter.
Granddaughter?
Yeah, but I'm raising her, my daughter left her.
The woman informed the police that she had left the child in the car because they were resisting and did not want to leave. She claimed to have parked the car in the shade with all the windows down. However, CCTV footage revealed that only 2 windows were slightly open and the vehicle was not parked in the shade.
I didn't want to approach the little girl, and then because she had a phone on her, I didn't want her to dial 911 on me. So I was like kind of adamant about like approaching her because she had a phone on her. So I was like, well, she should be able to call her grandma.
Did fire give her medical attention? Or they checked on her? Or?
No, they didn't even do nothing. No. Like, they were right here, parked at the grocery entrance, and I told them, hey, we got a kid locked over there. They pulled up. That's when the grandma pulled up.
Okay.
And I believe they told this manager that, because the parent was here, she's okay.
Okay.
They didn't maybe check her or anything.
Freaking hot outside. And she said she parked it in the shade. There is no shade there. Then after management came, that's whenever you approached the vehicle?
That's when I pushed the vehicle
and you asked
closer.
Her, and she said she was scared, or she looked scared?
She looked scared. She went from the driver's seat to the back seat and like kind of sat in the corner to like get, I guess not away from us, but to get in a more secure position where she felt.
Several witnesses confirmed that the woman returned to her car after approximately 30 minutes. Given the circumstances, the officer decided to report the incident to the Children, Youth, and Families Department, CYFD, for further investigation.
Given that it's 88 degrees out here, it's hot. All right.
My AC unit doesn't work right now. It's hot. All right. You know, if we would have found her the way we did and you weren't there yet, we would have broken your window for sure. I don't think you want that. So right now, we're going to call CYFD. All right, we're gonna make a sky report and obviously tell them of the incident that occurred. Okay, so they'll probably do a welfare check.
The woman faced charges of child abandonment.
So you went into the store about 15 minutes. You left the vehicle wasn't running. The window was cracked.
All 4 windows.
All 4 windows were cracked. About how much?
On July 21st, 2024, officers observed a vehicle exhibiting suspicious behavior, prompting them to conduct a stop and approach the driver for further investigation.
Here's the park. Wonderful, thank you. Miss Owens, where have I ran into you before?
I'm not for sure, because I was thinking to say your face looks familiar.
Okay.
I'm sure it's been something with the police.
What's your first last name, sir?
Caleb BB.
BB?
Yeah, B-E-E-B-E.
Oh, okay, sorry. B.
Dispatch 95 status.
B-E-B-E.
Okay.
BB,
okay. What's your first name?
Philip.
Philip.
Okay.
Dispatch 95.
And your date of birth?
Here at Forest Home and Red Wolf, Arkansas 422 X-Ray Victor Ocean 422 XBO. Yeah, dark colored Chevy Equinox.
83. Either you guys on probation, parole?
I'm on supervised probation.
Okay.
The officer subsequently reported that while verifying the driver's identity card, they discovered that the driver was a wanted criminal. Consequently, the officer promptly placed the individual under arrest.
10-4, thank you.
I've got to go see Ming because I was actually locked up in Greene County, and they expedited me to Alabama.
Okay.
And I did time there.
Okay.
And I just got back home a couple months ago, and I've got some court dates that I took care of, and I called Mr. Ming. I just ain't been in to see him yet. But I can't abscond if they...
The officer then directed the suspect to exit the vehicle and proceeded to handcuff him.
Miss BB, I'm going to step out of the vehicle, okay? No weapons or anything?
No.
You put the cigarette in your mouth, you're okay. Put your hands on your back for me, alright? Yeah, you got a warning, boss. I believe they say Terrace Cratton out of the county by chance. That's what they're letting me know. Terrace Cratton. I have no idea. I'm just a messenger. You know what I mean? That they say they got a warrant for you. get this one to double lock, that'd be great. You're okay.
His wife refused to cease her disruptive behavior, which led to her arrest alongside him. Both were placed in a police vehicle, and during a subsequent search of their car, officers discovered illegal substances.
I know that figure I wouldn't let you search it. If you could look at the back and close the back of the truck. I was supposed to call an email or something. I'm not illegal.
I don't want these to hurt you. Keep the back of your hands. Are these yours or are these his?
Those are his.
I gave him yours. I'm sorry.
I smoked menthols. Can I get one before you put
These
me in
aren't
the car?
these aren't menthols. These are reds. I don't see any menthols.
Can I pocket my purse right there, please?
Okay. And that's up to him if he wants to allow you to smoke or not.
Can I have a cigarette, please?
Okay. Well, I did not see these.
During the search of their vehicle, officers found several packs of cigarettes and an illegal substance that has yet to be analyzed.
Okay. Which phone is yours? I'm assuming this one.
Yes.
Alright. Cigarettes are here. Phone is with you.
Put the truck in my purse, please.
I can't leave the truck here unless.
This is where we park it when we're here. This is our parking spot.
What's this one? Give me 1 second.
Alright, let's go ahead and head to the car. To the front.
The suspect's wife claimed that there was nothing on the driver's side of the vehicle. However, upon further investigation, the officer found no additional items.
Yeah, she's saying it's neither of theirs, and he's saying he doesn't know. I can't determine. It was in the vicinity of both of them. $14902. Do we have anyone on 2 right now?
10-4, she's on a 911 line.
After searching the vehicle and discovering several packs of cigarettes along with an illegal substance, the police returned to the station to determine the nature of the substance.
Maybe. Depends. You know what meth looks like?
No. I mean, well...
Do I know what meth looks like?
Well, so I got some news and some stuff, but it was powdery. We're gonna let that stir.
So this is that one yours?
Yeah, the stuff I caught this dude with, it was real powdery.
White crystalline substance.
We're gonna let them talk it out. One of them will admit.
Subsequently, both suspects were transported to the police station and placed into custody.